Oh yeah, guess who's going metal detecting today? This guy. See on the first good hole. Alright folks, I'm out here in this field. Out in the middle of nowhere. There's some kind of noise going on over there. I just got a banging 30 signal and I see something round down here. Let's see what we have together. Oh, looks to be maybe a quarter. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to get this cleaned off. I don't know what it is, but get it cleaned off. I'll get back to y'all. Well, here's something really cool and unexpected. Check it out. With a key on it. This side, I believe says Amoco. Remember that. And it says quality. I'm going to get this cleaned up and see what else is on here. But hey, that's a cool find. I love it. Here we go. That's the right way. Alrighty, off to the next good hole. Man, what a great find. I love hunting around these old stumps because you never know what you're going to find. Look at that D-buckle right there. That's a big one. Yes, sir. Alrighty, we'll catch you on the next good hole.